Come unbox this LympheDIVA package with me. Each sleeve comes in a little package like this. And as you can see, my preference for compression sleeves is floral. That's my favorite. It can be fun to have a pop of color sometimes though. Like the blue one can be fun when you're wearing like a chambray shirt. And if you prefer solids like beige, black, pink, there's lots of different things online on the LympheDIVA site to check out. I'll list these patterns at the end. This is probably the best thing about LympheDIVA is the actual material. They're so silky and soft, and it's a thin material too, which is really good because when you have lymphedema, it often acts up in the warm weather. So you have to wear these sleeves when typically you'd be in t-shirts or tank tops. So I really like how the material feels. And it also has a band at the top. It's like a diamond grippy band. And it's just, I don't know, like the width of the band and everything makes it so that it doesn't dig into you like some of the other brands I've tried. You can kind of see that it's a wider area and it just stays up nicely. If you know me well, you know that I am a shopaholic and I try every brand out there to make sure I have the best, and I always go back to LympheDIVA.